This is Martin with Hydro Rooter and Plumbing. We are currently running a plumbing inspection. At this point of the sewer line, we are approximately about 5 feet on the exterior of the home. We can't move any further due to the fact that there is a backwater valve, and if we push the camera forward, we would get the machine stuck in the line. We are going to be coming back towards the roof and exiting at the vent stack. As you can see, here is the flapper to the backwater valve. Hydro Rooter definitely recommends installing a set of cleanouts so that if ever we need access to that backwater valve or to service the sewer system, we have access. In this area, we can also see that there is a little bit of bellying in the pipe. Which goes on for about 5 feet.